King on d1. Queen captures g2. Knight on d5. Pawn captures d5. Pawn on e6. Pawn captures e6. Bishop on b5. Check. Bishop on d7. Bishop captures. Knight captures d7. Queen on f3. Queen captures f. Knight captures f3. Knight on f6. Rook on g1. Rook on g8. Pawn on d4. Bishop on f8. Bishop on f4. Rook on c8. Pawn on c4. Pawn captures c4. Knight on d2. Pawn on b5. Pawn on b3. Pawn captures b3. Knight captures b3. Pawn on h6. Knight on a5. Pawn on g5. Bishop on g3. Knight on e4. Rook on c1. Pawn on c6. Knight captures c6. Pawn on a6. Knight on a7. Rook captures c1. Check. King captures c1. Bishop on a3. Check. King on b1. Knight captures g3. Pawn captures g3. King on e7. Rook on d1. Bishop on d6. Knight on c6. Check. King on e8. Pawn on d5. Bishop captures g3. Pawn on d6. Rook on g6. Knight on e7. Rook on f6. Knight on g8. Rook on f3. Rook on c1. King on d8. Rook on c7. Bishop captures d6. Rook on a7. Rook on f1. Check. King on b2. Bishop on e5. Check. King on a3. Rook on f3. Check. King on b4. Bishop on c3. Check. King on b3. Bishop on d4. Check. King on b4. Bishop captures a7. Knight captures h6. Pawn on e5. Knight on g. Pawn on e4. Knight on h2. Rook on f2. Knight on g4. Rook captures a2. Knight on e3. Rook on e2. Knight on g4. Bishop on c5. Check. King on c3. Rook on g2. Knight on e3. Bishop captures e3. King on b4. Rook on b2. Check. King on c3. Rook on h2. King on b3. Pawn on g4. Pawn on g3. Pawn on g2. Pawn on g1. King on b. Bishop on f4. Pawn on e3. Pawn on e2. Pawn on e1. King on b3. Pawn on a5. King on a pawn on b4. Check. King on a4. Queen on d1. Check. King captures a. Pawn on b3. Pawn on b2. King on b5. Pawn on b1. King on c6. Rook on c2. Checkmate.